Okay, let's continue with the app. I created another commit that removes prettier plugin Tailwind because it conflicts with my ESLint to sort the classes. So if I run the lint, so I probably won't have the diff in CSS like I had before. So this is the commit, just with the format and just removing this plugin. So I still have to fix some CSS, but I think it's going to be fine. Yeah, I will commit and amend it. Okay, cool. So I want to focus today more on the product. So I have this one already, and I want to support videos. I still don't know what I'm going to support, but I will start with basic UI experiment, and then I will design the backend how that will match the UI. So if I go to video, React, there was a nice library, not this one, that helps me with tag of React videos. I think I sent it to myself. Let me check the name of it. It was Vidstack. I think vid without e. Vidstack React. Yeah, actually this one. Yeah. So let's get started. So I notice an example and I want to replicate it. So there is a video, and this one is what I want to have, to split the videos into sections, and also the preview is also nice, as you can see, and probably I can also do other things. This is also nice. I can jump to moments. Okay, interesting. So if I want to have this component, what should I do? This is the state on the right. Preset video. Yeah, video is fine. I can also do YouTube. Okay, nice. So how can I configure it? Let's start. I just want to have some kind of UI there. I will see the examples. Maybe this is examples, React. I'm using Radix at the moment. I plan to move to base UI, but let's see. Let's see what we have here. So we have the player, and we have this component with some CSS, which is fine, and a track inside. Okay, and this comes from, okay, interesting. Time group, what is it? If I want to see the usage, this is default theme, time group. Okay, let's start with copying and pasting. It comes with their own CSS, which is fine. And what do the Radix includes? Nothing from here. This is the component that I want, so I think so. I think this is the component. If I go to main, there is the player and the player. So only the video layout is outside. The rest is internal stuff. So let's see what's in the video layout. I still have, okay, I still have to use other stuff. Okay. I think that I will just copy one of the examples. Should I use the Radix? Should I use Tailwind? So if we have Tailwind, how do they handle it? Probably here. Yeah, with CSS, and they have buttons. What is these buttons? Okay, this is from this UI component. Video module. This is fine. So captions is a little bit more custom, but I can handle it. I wish to have AI that I can tell him, hey, take this example from Tailwind CSS and create some automated like ShadCN to put inside my project. So I wonder if I should take the whole example or start with something that I understand and then add some things to it. Let's start simple. So this is the core player. I just want an overview. Features, TypeScript, try player. We're going to find player examples, find specific example, click open stack bit. Okay, also installation, video, React. I think they should provide seamless experience. Yeah, what did they say about server components? Interesting. Okay. Can also have YouTube. Yeah, we can support it too. Yeah, maybe I will start with YouTube and then I will define, so it will allow me to avoid, can I define both? No. But this one will allow me to avoid creating, uploading the video when I will start, before I start. So that I will start maybe with this one with a single video. A layout refers to arrangement presentation. Yeah, let's use the default layout. Can I use Tailwind CSS? Yeah, Tailwind CSS is better. And okay, so let's start. Nowadays it's a little bit more scary to install some dependencies. PNPM install this one, but I want to see the apps web, and then go back to the browser, and I have to import styles. Okay, go back to the browser. Now let's go to the main route, and we will render, instead of rendering this component that makes sure everything is up. Maybe I will still keep the server just in order for me to see the status of it, even though it's not necessary right now. No, let's remove everything. When the time will come, I will continue with this. Okay, container. I don't like to use merging, but Mxauto is fine. Max level, okay. So now we will create our player. Video player. And we don't have this component, so we'll create this component. And components, video player. Yeah, the convention in this project is not unlike my convention, but I will adapt to it. So they told us to use sorry. Okay, import this one, 400 bytes. Okay, and then go back to the browser, copy, paste. Okay, and this is the markup. Okay, so I can link for external video, and they already gave me this video, which is also very nice. And poster, play shine. What is play shine? The video content should be played inline on mobile support rather than launching the video in full screen. This can also be nice. Media icons. This is optional. Icons not interesting. Examples. Okay. Architecture. Probably they made it in Mermaid. Maybe. So let's see what do we have here. Nothing. Video player is not defined. Let's go again. I go to the IDE. I didn't import the component rel, so let's import it. Yes, go back to the browser, and we have some kind of video player. Do we have some errors? Hydration failed. Okay, why the hydration failed? Is it related? Should I use client here? No, actually it's not related, but the video is not working, and I don't know why. So if I go back to the source of the video and try to go here, so there is a video, and but I don't see the content here. So maybe I should import this one a little bit higher. You know, if I move this import, okay, let's import it a little bit higher. Maybe it causes the problem. Index.css, and let's import like we do in CSS. Still not working. Okay, so I followed the installation, but it didn't work well. Maybe there is the concept of loading. Yeah, I should read it more deep. Introduction, components. So let's see what we have now. We have all media components, existing media player. Okay, you know what, maybe it's the terminal. Let's restart the terminal. Maybe we do have errors here that we don't see. So if I go here again, nothing happens at the moment. We don't have, okay, we do have some browser. Where is this issue? Let's refresh. Okay, so I think that this component works only on the client. Relation failed because of, yes, this one wasn't existing in the server. Yeah, let's remove again the use client. I already removed it actually, and this also in the client. So yeah, I accidentally put it inside the home page instead of only inside a component, but still I want to have some video here. If I will go to the network, if I will see what's going inside the network, do we have some kind of video? chunks of JavaScript. So this library is loaded already. The component is loaded, of course. Yeah, this is Vite related. Session. The process of debugging. Welcome. Oh, media exists. Okay. I have the okay, the media player and the provider. Okay, but I don't know if it renders something. Yeah, probably we need. Yeah, we need to have some kind of layout. Maybe usage default audio layout. Yeah, let's take it. Let's see what we have now. So inside this one we have the media provider. Let's expand it. Import. It's not inside, but this is fine. Yeah, I need some icons. I don't care about icons. Maybe they do have import. This is how they want me to import it. FJS, no. Okay. Yeah, it requires some icons. I need to specify icons for all. I don't want to specify it. Okay. Okay. I can have this. By default, the view type is inferred from the provider media type. You can specify the desired type like so. Thumbnail. Here, icons. Maybe I was too strict. Yeah. I'm that close to copy the example of Shatsian. Yeah, I need a runnable example so I can play with. So here I don't see the video. Yeah, I want the slider also. So should I build it myself? So it's I appreciate that this contains a lot of customizations. Ah, nice. Okay, they have Tailwind inside. They have Tailwind. Okay. Let's create the slider. But this is only the component of the... if I will provide it inside, it's probably... I think it's going to work. Okay, it renders something. Woohoo! Some kind of slider. So at the moment, I think it's the place of the video, but I don't see the video rendering. If I will go to the specific element, okay, it's a video with this element, so it should work. Maybe I don't have a play button that I need to configure. Area hidden, true, but there is the VSCL. It's rendered differently, it's rendered in a different place. Okay, I have some buttons. Where is the video? So let's recap what we did till now. We created the player with the media player. We gave it a source of a video that do exist. Do exist, even though it's not loading till the end, but this video exists. And we also defined media provider. You know, if I will remove the media provider, I expect not to see the video rendered. Yes, media provider is the place that we see the video rendered. Okay, cool. What props can we inject to media provider? Media provider props, loader, iframe props, media props, children ref. Maybe I need to start it on connect, on load, maybe load, but it's private. What is it? I didn't know that it looks like this. Okay, and we created a slider. So if we go back to the example of Tailwind, or Radix with Tailwind, let's take Radix with Tailwind now. If I copy the player and go back to the code, example player, so I copy everything. Yes, and only the video layout and text tracks are missing. So I think that I can remove them at the moment. And text track, no need for now. Okay, now let's see what do we have now. And I don't render it yet, so I can render it after my video player. Example. Did I export? Go back to the bar. Okay, so it's showing me the poster, which is fine, but I want to start it. happens here. So there is the player. We listen to can play event. Modify when the player. Let's see. Okay, or can play. Okay, I think it can play. So how do I play? I want to play this video. Let's see. I still have the same video. Play in inline. Whatever video can be played in, which is within the element playback area, not heading to false. Play the video will be played in the full screen. Rated the full screen cross origin. Maybe this causes my player not to run because it's external video. And what was the text? You girl? The text of the content. I want to play. You just need to click. Come on! I had to click space manually. It worked all the time. I just don't see. Maybe because I have a black background. Background red. I change it to background red. I don't want to click it manually with the space bar. I want to render it. And I don't have the slider also. What do the slider do? If I go here, no, I can only pause and play. The slider doesn't do anything important right now. It's a waste of time for it. I can also clip start time. In play, we can to play before a certain time. Yeah, this can be useful. Controls. Yes, I need a controls. Oh, finally. Yeah, this was important. Don't show. I wish it was the default. By the way, if I remove the course origin, still working well. Yeah, I don't need it. And the example video. Now, if we keep our component, so this is fine. I'm showing the control. And this is not connected to anything, the slider. Maybe we have an event on something. No, just render some slider. But it's the controls of the video in the HTML element. Maybe not. I could use autoplay. It won't play automatically. So, never mind. So we created a video and a slider. Okay. Now, okay, those are buttons. Caption, picture in picture. I don't care that much about picture in picture. Full screen is nice. So if you want to design a custom experience, I think this library does a very good job at it. But I need different features. different features. Sub-menu button, menu button, radio groups. No, I don't want to use those features. Sliders, and there's a volume. Yeah, so we have volume slider, but I don't think. Okay, let's render the time slider. This is I'm more interested in that. So let's create a component, and it's called, let's create a different file. Time slider. And we'll paste it. Now we'll import from this place. They are not fulfilling their promise. Import declaration conflicts with yeah. Sorry, I had to export it differently. I still don't render it, but it looks nice. Maybe I need to configure inside the video the time frames. So if, let's say, we have this time, I want to see who uses it. No references. Too bad, no references. Maybe inside. Yes, no. Sliders at time. Okay, I see what do they do here. Pretty nice actually. And I can copy all the things here also, because this looks nice. Too many menus though. But they render it inside some kind of control group. Okay, so if I will render it inside some kind of control group, maybe I don't need the controls here. Import. Yeah, we still have conflicts with it. Okay, interesting. So as you can see, I can change the time and the video changes. Okay, this is nice. And the code for the time. Okay, I need to go, but I made some kind of progress. I understood some of the details of the video, and next time I will continue with the video.